This is the best headphones in 2021 if you can live with the compromises. This is the SODO SD-1003 wireless headphones, and I've been using these headphones for in about 8 months or so. So for making a headphones review, I need some 5 criteria. First of all, the unboxing. Second of all, the feel. Third, the design. Fourth, the sound. And the fifth is battery life. We start with the unboxing. Okay, as you guys can see, it comes with a black box. It depends what color you guys buy in Shopee actually. And it comes with a micro USB and with some standard user manual and headphones itself. Pretty standard. So, how's the first time feel actually? Well, the feel is pretty good actually. Well, I can easily wear this thing for above an hour, but time by time after 2 hours or so, my ears started to strain a bit because it does use cuffs, square cuffs. So my ear get me a bit strained actually. So how about for the specs? It uses Bluetooth 5.0, 400 mAh of battery, as well as it has a built-in FM radio, which I'll talk about more in a second now. So within the specs, we have connectors actually, a bunch of connectors actually. 3.5mm headphone jack, a micro USB, an SD card slot, and especially this volume dial is actually very useful. For one time I scroll up, it will skip tracks. One time I scroll down, it goes to previous tracks. Along upwards, it will dial up the volume and slow down the volume, and pressing will pause and play, as well as it will open Siri or Google Assistant. Okay, now for the compromises. For this price for the headphones, this sounds very good actually, but there are many compromises for these headphones. First of all, the microphone. Well, I didn't get to know if this thing really sounds good or not. When I went to an online class, my teacher asked me a question. There's no sound because this microphone is actually unusable. Like, it's a very unusable because nobody can hear my sound actually. Second of all, the SD card reader. Usually these kind of cheap headphones, SD card reader don't really work. And third of all, the FM radio. And maybe guys will be thinking, who uses FM radio in 2021 actually? Well, I use FM radio and I use Fly FM, one of my favorite FM stations out there. Well, I can't get out any signal from these headphones actually, so this is one of the compromises. Now for the battery life. The battery life is 400 mAh of battery, which is fine for a Bluetooth headphones actually, but you can get pretty often you not charging actually. Like, I need to charge 2 days once and I often forgot when I need to charge these headphones. Don't worry guys, we do have a 3.5mm headphone jack, so you just slide it through in your phone or into your PC actually. So how about the sound? This sound, for the price, it sounds phenomenal actually. The sounds are it comes with a highs and a lot of bass actually, and it sounds pretty good for the price actually. The price is 30 ringgit, and maybe it's like under $15 or so, so this sounds pretty good for the price actually. So for the conclusion is, this is one of the best sounding earphones that I've heard within this 30 ringgit price range. And not gonna lie, if you want to snatch one of these, I'm telling you to snatch these things pretty fast actually. And except for the compromises, you guys do need a dedicated microphone if you guys use for the PC actually. So that's all for this video guys. Don't forget to check out another 2 videos I posted here, one about the cheapest and the best selling mechanical keyboard at Shopee, as well as Intel 12th Gen Alder Lake CPU coming up in 2022. That's it guys. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye guys.